Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about four expressions we use: since, until, from to, and for. So the first one, since. Since is the word desde. Since we use it normally when we refer to a date or a time. Since March, since February, since 8 a.m. So when we use the word since, desde, we're going to add here a date or time. For example, no como carne desde marzo. Now, when we use the word since, we're going to use always present tense. No como carne. Yeah. Why? Because you are doing this or you are not doing this since then. So always we're going to use present tense. It means you're still doing it or you're still not doing it. Also, another example will be no como desde las 8 de la mañana. So here we use time, right? Ocho de la mañana. And here we use marzo, which is March. So marzo is date, ocho de la mañana is time. So both are correct. Um, Also, you can put Tuesday or 1986 or anything you're using like a when you refer to a date. Now, hasta means until, yeah. Uh, we also use it with date and time. So, an example here: estuve en la oficina hasta las 5 de la tarde. So I was at the office until 5 p.m. And well, here, as you can see, there is a time, 5 de la tarde. Yeah. Um, and here the conjugation doesn't matter. It could be past, it could be present, it could be future. Yeah. You can say, I was there till 5. I'm going to be there till 5. I am, I'm there till 2. So the tense doesn't matter. Here it matters. It's always present tense with desde, but here it doesn't matter. Um, okay, now estuve allí hasta febrero. So febrero is a month, right? So it's date. I was there till February. Okay. Now desde and hasta, yeah, are used also to show an interval of time. So desde marzo hasta diciembre, from March or since March till November, December, whatever. So desde hasta also is to show like this interval. So um, it's an option. It's an optional thing. Now for intervals, we also use de a, and this one is very common to use. De is like from, a to. You can use it with a date or time as well. So you can say, ah, trabajé de 9 a.m. a 5 p.m. I worked from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. like or to 5 p.m. Yeah. So it's this from 9 to 5. Voy a la oficina de lunes a viernes. I go to the office from Monday to Friday. So again, they works here as as two words to show the interval. Yeah, between two things in a given a date or a time. We use it a lot for schedules and all this kind of stuff. Durante also is like we can use it for an amount of time or a period of time. Yeah. So let's say here, aprendí español durante la protesta. Like I learned Spanish during the protest. So yeah, during the protest, I learned Spanish. But I could also say, aprendí español durante 7 meses. So here we are showing more like the like an amount of time, and that will be more like the four. Like I learned Spanish for 7 months, right? I learned Spanish for 7 months. So it's during a period of time or for an amount of time. So yeah, we 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 use this a lot when we talk about our lives in the past and or things we did, and we want to specify when we did them. So yeah. Um, so how do we practice this? Well, first of all, as as you know, go and check your Quizlet flashcards. Practice them a lot. Uh, 10, 20, 30 minutes will be right. If writing helps you to learn, do it, please. And now you're gonna tell someone on the street or a friend or maybe your tutor. You're gonna tell someone about your daily and weekly routines by using desde, hasta, de, a, durante. Yeah. Um, so daily and weekly routines. So you can say I work. Let's say in the week I work from Monday to Friday, uh, like from 8 to 4. And also you can say that I'm normally I stay at the office till 6 p.m. and during the break I go for lunch. So just try to talk about these kind of things. You can use present tense because you're talking about your daily routine, but if you want to talk about something that you used to do before, you did before, like then you can use also past tense, you know. But for now, my recommendation is just to use present tense, simple, and yeah, that'll be it. Have fun, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.